So, good morning. Welcome to this episode of looking at the different technologies that we have. And today I want to talk about ChatGPT. And one of the reasons why I want to talk about ChatGPT is because this is a new search engine that is driven by artificial intelligence, or what we call the generative AI. And it has become actually a buzz product globally. So I wanted to actually look at how you can use ChatGPT to identify a course, especially for the lecturers, and also create a course content using ChatGPT and course objective, and also course outcomes for maybe your student or students that are asked for a given course for training. Now, ChatGPT, as I've said, is one of the newest search engine that we have. And the good thing about ChatGPT is that it gives you the information as you want it. It is not like Google that gives you links where you're going to look for the materials. These ones will give you whatever you are asking for. Now, for you to be able to access ChatGPT, you have to go to chat. You just type chat.openai.com, and you are going to get into the search engine. Now, the search engine has very many things. If you look at it, it has a new chat. That is where you actually ask it the question that you want. And here we have examples of the capabilities of ChatGPT and also limitation. And actually one of the greatest limitation is that it can only be able to deal with the event, or it has a limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. Therefore, you'll find that most of the things that are older than that, you may not get the information about it. Now, let me go straight to what I wanted to look at. I wanted to look at the how to develop a course content for your student. Now, the first thing that I think you need to do is to identify a course in a given area. I'll give an example that there's a student who came and asked me whether there is any AI course that she can be able to actually pursue in finance. And I think the first thing that I did was to go to ChatGPT and type, please identify artificial intelligence courses in finance. And after I type there, on this bar, I say, okay. And you can see it will start generating the courses that are supposed to, that go hand in hand with what I've asked it. So there are several courses that focuses on intersection of artificial intelligence and AI. You can see you have artificial intelligence and finance, AI in trading and investment. Then you have financial technology and AI. Then you also have machine learning for finance. Then you have, so these are some of the courses that you can be able to actually pursue in finance. You can decide to go for the first one in artificial intelligence in finance. You can decide to go for artificial intelligence in trading and investment. You can decide to go for financial technology and AI, machine learning for finance. So if I'm not quite convinced by what I get, I can actually authorize ChatGPT to give me more, to actually give me more courses. And I think that is what it's going to do. So it is going to add on the list of the 4. And you can see data finance, financial engineering, it has started adding for me. Then you have computation finance. Then you have deep learning in finance. You have AI and financial modeling. You have AI for finance and economics. So it is continuing generating some of the courses that you can be able to do as a finance student, especially if you want to dwell on this area of AI. So I think those ones are enough. We have 10 courses. Then now it is my work now to come and look at some of these courses. Maybe I decide that this AI in trading and investment is a good course, especially for those people who want to know about trading in Forex and also investment. And therefore, I will come here and tell ChatGPT, please create a course title for AI in trading and investment. Remember, I'm doing this if I'm not fully convinced by the title, that title that they have given. So I've told ChatGPT to create the title for such a course. You can see it has started Advanced AI Strategy for Trading and Investment. I can decide to go with this one, Advanced AI Strategy for Trading and Investment, or I can even decide to go for AI in Trading and Investment. Now, for me here, I'll go for AI in trading and investment, because maybe I'm creating a course for the introductory purposes. So if you look at the second one that it has given me, it is about what we refer to as the advanced part of the course. So I'll come here and tell ChatGPT to create a course objective for the course AI in trading and investment. So create a course objective for me for that course, AI in trade and investment. And you can see it has started actually doing that. The objective of the course, Advanced Strategy for Trading, is to provide students with the other knowledge of the use of artificial intelligence techniques in the field of trading and investment. Students will learn how to apply machine learning, natural language, and other AI techniques to analyze financial markets, identify profitable trading opportunities, optimize investment portfolio. By the end of the course, students will have gained the knowledge and skills necessary to develop and implement the advanced AI strategy for trading and investment. So if you look at that objective there, it actually captures the objective and also the outcome of learning. So the outcome of learning, you can see, it is telling me that by the end of the course, the student will have gained that knowledge. So that is the outcome that I expect. So we have the course objective and we have the course outcome. So maybe I can tell it that put the course objective in paragraphs. So that they can look well. So let me see whether ChatGPT is going to do that for me. So this course is designed for, so this course will provide the student with an overview of various techniques. So throughout the course, so you can see it has done the paragraph for me as I've I requested it, and therefore now even my work look a bit better. So what I can do is that after doing this, well, remember, all what I need to do is to copy this and maybe put it in my Word document if I'm actually convinced or I'm actually okay with what it is, what ChatGPT has given me. So you can see now it looks nice. We have the objective And the overall, and also the outcome, overall, this course will provide students with a strong foundation in the use of AI in trading investment, equipping them with the knowledge and skills to succeed in the financial industry. Now, I have the course, I have the course title, I have the course objective, I have the course outcome. So the next thing that I need to look for is the course outline. So I will come here and request ChatGPT to create for me a course outline for the course, for the course, So I've written the wrong thing because I've told it the course. I've not put C, so I don't know whether. So the course outline of advanced AI strategies. So one, we'll start with the introduction, overview of the course, then machine learning for trading and investment. Then we continue to get more information about what we can be able to train in this subject of advanced AI in finance. So you can see it still continue writing, giving me more information or more content about the course. So I have all this content now. So I'm waiting for it to actually finish giving me the content. Then I look at the content. And if the content is good for me, then I have no problem. All what I need to do is to transfer it into the Word document. So it has told me, remember it is telling me, please note that this is just a sample, and the actual course content might vary depending on the institution, which is very true. So sometimes I'll even go to the course description that have been given by the organization and try to see whether there's something that generative AI or AI ChatGPT has actually not included in this course. So for me to be able to see it in a better way, maybe I can tell ChatGPT, create the course outline in a table format. So I'm telling it to put it in a table format so that I can be able to do it, to actually see what it has done in a better way. So remember my course is Advanced in AI Strategy for Trading. So you can see it has developed the table for me. And what generative AI is doing is that it is trying to create the course outline in a table format so that it can be easy for me to be able to actually look at some of these things that are needed in this training. So you can see it continues. Actually it has done a good work because some of these courses are too good. Ethics and regulation consideration, these are good courses, especially when you are trying to look at technology, the new technologies, actually, some of these emerging technologies, because I think one of the biggest challenges that we have is the issue of ethics. So you can see it has stopped. So it has finished, and you can see now I have the weeks, first week, what I need to teach, the topics, and also the description of the course. Now, remember, if I wanted to go further with it, I only need to come back here and tell it to know what I would teach in the first week. What I need to do is to come here and tell it that maybe ChatGPT should expound the introduction. So please expound on the introduction part so that I know what I'm going to teach in introduction, the introduction part of the course. Then I can request in the introduction section of the course, you can see it is giving me the information. So what ChatGPT has done to the lecturers is that it has made it easy for us to actually do some of the things that we do as lecturers. And by doing that, then it leaves my job of teaching the students or training the students as my core mandate, which is very important. So you can see it is giving me all what I need to look at in the introduction part of it. So what I need to do now is to take this information and try to go to Google and see whether I can be able to improve or to improve to create it more or to improve whatever generative AI has given me. So it has finished, and you can see that from where we started, we have actually been able in 10 minutes to develop a whole course that was not available, a whole course that was not there, up to the end. So we started by asking the generative AI, ChatGPT, to give us a course to identify the few courses that we can be able to teach on artificial intelligence in finance. Then we asked it to give us a title for the course. Then we chose the title. After choosing the title, we told it to give us the objectives of the course and also the outcomes of the course. And then we went further to tell it to give us the course outline, to develop for us the course outline, which it has done in a table format. And lastly, we actually went further to tell it to actually give us a replica of what we need to teach in the introduction. So it means that within 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes, I've been able to develop a course outline, a course objective, and also know what I need to actually start with when it comes to introduction. So this is the power of the artificial intelligence, and these are some of the things that we are going to be looking at. So it makes work easier for some of us, especially some of us lecturers, and also the students, because now the students can even be able to look for some of the courses that are not being offered and maybe they have interest in. And if they give me the course as a lecturer, it is easier for me to be able to prepare the course and also to present the course without any problem, because much of the work is done for me by artificial intelligence. So this is the power of the artificial intelligence. And what I've been telling people is that we people are going to see much more of this, basically because 2023 is the year of artificial intelligence. So we are going to see many more things coming up, many more chatbots coming up that can be able to do as much as possible. So thank you very much for listening. And tomorrow we'll have another class in another thing, another area or another theme, so that we can be able to really understand the power of these artificial intelligence or these products that have been released recently. So thank you very much and have a good day.